How to activate ATM or debit card using DBS Bank Mobile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the DigiBank on your device, and further go ahead and log yourself into DigiBank Mobile with your Touch ID or Face ID, or simply using your DigiBank user ID and PIN. Next, tap on the More option you see there, and now under the Manage Cards and Loans tab, tap on the Activate Cards option you see there. Further, tap on the Activate Credit Card option and then tap on the credit card you would like to activate. Finally, review your request and tap on the Activate Card button to complete your card activation request. So this is how you can activate ATM or debit card using DBS Bank. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.